How to use the GROW model. The GROW model is a popular decision-making and planning tool used in coaching. It is a simple and effective way to help people set and achieve goals. The GROW approach was developed by Sir John Whitmore, Graham Alexander and Alex Fine, and has become one of the most popular and frequently used coaching tools. So what does GROW stand for? The word GROW is an acronym, but exactly what the acronym stands for does differ slightly from practitioner to practitioner. Commonly, it stands for goal, reality, options or obstacles, and will or way forward. Let's look now at how to apply the GROW model. Goal. The goal is the clearly defined endpoint. Therefore, the first step is used to it's important to clearly identify the aim, define the mission and understand what success looks like. Here are some example questions that could be used at this stage. Why is this goal important to you? How will you know when you've achieved your mission? Reality. The next step in the GROW model is looking at the reality of the situation. This involves considering the present with all its challenges and opportunities. Here are some potential questions to use at the reality stage. Describe your situation right now. How does the present situation make you feel? What are the challenges that you are facing? What are the causes of these challenges? At the reality stage of the GROW model, it may also be useful to apply the SWOT analysis, which can help identify the key factors relating to the present situation. Options. Having defined the goal and explored the reality of the situation, the next step is to look at what is used for obstacles. If there are problems that need solving, this might be more appropriate. But either way, considering options can provide different courses of action to overcome the various challenges that have been identified. Here are some questions to consider at the options stage. Which alternative ways could you achieve the goal? How could you overcome the obstacles you face? What are the advantages and disadvantages of each option? Will, or way forward. Having looked at options and identified the preferred course of action, the will, or way forward step of the GROW model is about breaking down the goal into achievable steps. This stage helps to wrap up the session and make sure that by the end, the person being coached through the tool has committed to some concrete and achievable actions. Here are some questions to help at this stage. Which tasks need to be completed to achieve the goal? What is your deadline? When do you want to achieve each task? What is the next or first step? When can you complete this step? If you would like more detail on how to use the GROW model and comparison with similar models, then do follow the links provided. If you'd like more information on other goal setting, planning and decision making tools, then head over to the website, which is www.therightquestions.co. And if you found this helpful, then please do like and subscribe.